this lecture, we'll be taking a look at data structures in Python. We earlier covered these in overview section where we briefly discussed about list, tuples, dictionary. Now in this section, we'll be exploring them in detail. So the first data structure that we'll be covering in this section will be the list type. And as we know, the list is a mutable data structure, which means that we can add, delete, and edit list items. You can see that it is created using rectangular brackets. Next, we have the tuple. Tuple is similar to list, but it is immutable. So we have tuple created using curly brackets, as you can see over here. The other data structure is dictionary, and this is a key value pair. So we have a key value pair within curly brackets. That's A:1, so that's A is key and 1 is the value associated with the key. Similarly, we have B2, C3. The other data structure that we have is set, which is exactly like tuple. So it's created using the curly brackets, and it's unordered list of unique values. So we'll be covering all these in details in upcoming lectures.